How to fix Mail app not syncing in Windows 10 and Windows 11. First open Start and type Firewall. Open Firewall and Network Protection. Click on Restore Firewall to default. Click on Restore Default. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, right-click on Start and click on Setting. Click on Privacy and Security. Open Calendar. Make sure access for mail is enabled. If it was disabled, just enable it. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Microsoft Store. Click on Library. Click on Get Updates. If any updates available for calendar and mail, then update to latest version. Hope your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching.